Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I actually just recorded another lecture for you, so the APA overview is brand new. Hope you enjoy it. It's going to be a great overview of the all-important legal research paper that you'll have coming up, and I'll post when it's due in the announcement section. Actually, I'm going to check now and have that as part of this check-in. One second. The cool thing is it's not going to be due till the end of August, so you got some time. So that's a positive thing for you guys to continue to work on your legal research project after this module, or in this module, of course, because that's really the overview here. All right, so let's head back to the course. All right, as you can tell, I still got my APA paper up there. But in relation to what's due this week, we have the all-important Week 4 APA Writing and Legal Research Overview. So when we click on that, you're going to see that you have a few things. There's some helpful tools up here that you can take a look at that I've used in prior courses, but one of them is going to be helpful for your presentation, right? You can use ScreenPal, as I'm using here, to help record your presentation, but that's of course not due until the end of August. You also have your APA overview I just recorded. Be sure to take a look at that as your lecture, and then you also have some supplemental material on Google Scholar and more APA information, which would be helpful. Here's a sample paper that I provided, a few sample papers from the Purdue OWL as well. Another sample paper in Word format that you can use. More information, more instructions about your legal research paper. And then APA questions and tips. That's not something that's required, but if you have a question, throw it in there, and I'm happy to respond where another student potentially can see it. But if you check out the course content and go back to, of course, the top of the course content, you're going to find a page that says Legal Research and start on Research Early. Go ahead and take a look at that. That's something that's going to be important for this week. But when you click on the Legal Research file, this is actually going to show you the instructions, and you'll find your rubric and such in there. So you have another section. I hope it's linked. I'll have to make sure of that. But for APA questions and tips, you can take a look at that right there if you have any questions in regards to how the submission is going to look. But from that perspective, if you click on the paper, you're going to be able to see information. Well, it's not going to be available right now, but let me show you. I'll fix that so you guys can see when it's ready to go. You're going to see information about the rubric, and that's not something that's super important, but that's where that's located. So more information in regards to APA in that section as well. But take a look at Module 4. Go through the all-important lectures. Nothing is due this week in relation to like a discussion post or homework or review questions, or nothing like that's going to be due. It's just an overview of APA writing. And then really jumping into what kind of case do you want to review. So take a look at all the information this week, some great information for you. And if you have any questions, I'm here to help in any way I can. Thanks so much, and keep up the great work. You guys are getting your assignments done on time. You're doing a great job. So I appreciate you, and reach out if you have any questions for me.